Good afternoon again. This paper is basically related to we have here is an intercontinental comparative financial analysis of civil aviation business. Now here basically we are trying to compare between different aviation. I mean Indian and different aviation. The industries that we are having. So in this generally we could see that as the comparison goes ahead we see the at the introduction part that we are measuring the financial analysis. This is we are doing a financial analysis on the airline businesses, as airline is one of the important aspect that we see. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, from last 3 to 4 months, it has been the most hit hard business. And in this we see that it is one of the business where even the bankruptcy has taken place for some of the airlines, and otherwise the performance is quite bad. So this is what we try here to go ahead, as India has intention to become the third aviation economy in 2020 and first by 2030. The domestic passengers traffic that we see here is around 18.28% to reach 243 million during 2018, and probably that would be reaching now around 293.28 million in 2020. The international traffic was 10.43%, reached 65.48 million during 2018, and the passenger traffic is probably 76 million in 2020. Now, we, as if you are looking into the development in terms of economic, then it is always the connectivity that matters a lot. So, aviation industry is one of the flourishing industry, and it adds a huge amount of development into the economy. So direct air connectivity, that is what is seen now in most of the places in India, and that's why connectivity opportunities are increasing. Economic growth of the nation is definitely somehow the other way, definitely lying on this aspect. Objectives of this study: to do the financial analysis of Indigo SpiceJet through ratio analysis, to review the performance of Indigo and SpiceJet by comparing with similar international peers, to identify few parameters for loss making units or other players to follow to sustain in the long run, to explore opportunities for making investment in the industry. So further we see the research methodology, in which we could see qualitative and quantitative research. It's a mixed research, explorative by nature. We have taken from India, it is the Indian airline company, that is SpiceJet, Indigo, and we are having international companies such as Southwest Airline, Delta Air, Air Asia, and Singapore Airline. Dew point analysis, that is a method that has been applied, which is basically used to measure the operational ability of a firm. Donald Son Brown, 1920, he propounded this method for identifying the operational aspects of an organization or a business. Financial analysis: return of equity, net profit margin, fuel consumption, investment efficiency, financial leverage, etc. are the points on which this analysis has been made. Now, because of the constraints, we have taken only few slides the few tables into it, few graphical aspects into it. So here we have the first one, that is return on equity. So this is what the first figure depicts about how the return on equity has taken place. When we talk about return on equity, then basically it is we could see that the overall the net profit upon the stakeholders investments. So that is what we see among the comparative analysis between different airline companies. Second figure depicts about the net profit ratio, where again we could see that how the companies are having their profits either going up and down during this last 4 years, from 2015 till 2019. Further, then we have the third figure, which basically depicts about operating profit as percentage of sales, and where we could see that how they had been, being a commercial airline, how they had been with the other than the passenger or being into the cargo, what are the other facilities that they have adopted and they have tried to have. Then aviation fuel as one of the next consumption of the fuel, that is what is another parameter that is again been considered. And overall there are further details, and further the study is been given in the remaining paper, but because of the limitations, we have tried to only put only few things. Then the conclusive part, based on the further analysis, Indigo has been a profit making company, would remain same also in future. In fact, this being one greatest stimulant for the other airline companies in the aviation sector. Now, including SpiceJet to stay put in the aviation industry. Now, Indigo did quite a better business as the jet airway collapsed last year and became bankrupt, and there were some money laundering and other issues put on it, and that is the reason Indigo had a very good business, and even it grew. Yeah, other businesses were also given quite emphasis. In terms of operating profit percentage of sales, Indigo has outperformed even its international peers with the ratio of 34 to 40 percentage in 2015 to 18 as compared to the other companies. AirAsia, which has a ratio between 15 to 30%, even in 2019, where the ratio has declined in all the companies, Indigo has remained at 24%, again the highest. There has been increased by 7 to 10% in the ratio of the cost of fuel to revenue in Indigo, SpiceJet and AirAsia. Vice versa, 2 to 4% increase in case of the Southwest Delta and Singapore Airline. Overall, Indigo comes out as the best company that we could see throughout the analysis that has been propounded in the paper. Now, India is promoting this sector by change in the aviation policy, including Udan, that is Uddeshika Amangrik. So this is what we are seeing that is coming in due course of time, and our government is also trying out to have the best of the facilities to promote the aviation industry. And currently during the pandemic era also we could see different like Air India and other flights, other companies took an initiation for having the migrants moving from different parts of the country, and that is what Indian aviation always looks for a better opportunity. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Mr. Pushpendra Rakshi. Any questions?
Yeah, we can also have the Pramod sir with us. I think he is there. If he wants to just be with us, he is also the prime corresponding author for the paper. Sir, are you there, sir? Can you join?
Yes. Yes, I am here.
Yeah, if you want to add anything, sir, definitely. I think if a minute is given, then if sir wants anything to be added, you can definitely, sir.
Any questions from me? Dr. CK Singh? Dr. Manoj?
Which I don't have. I don't have any questions.